Hello, my name is Duane Johnson. This is my lab assignment on the Kirby-Bauer test. This is going to be the antibiotic sensitivity diffusion test, also known as the Kirby-Bauer diffusion test. So as you can see here, we have my setup. These are our impregnated antibiotic paper discs, three different kinds. We have gentamicin, novobiacin, and penicillin. And we have the 90 ml or the 90 millimeter petri dish labeled in the zones for each antibiotic. It's got the nutrient agar in there right now. This is going to be our agar plate that we're going to be testing this in. So we're going to drop each one of these paper discs into the zones, and then, well, first we're going to put in some of the active culture, which we'll be using the Staphylococcus epidermidis. We're going to get 0.5, 8 drops into the center. We're going to evenly disperse it around the zones. And then later, after it soaks into the agar, we're going to place our discs in each one of the zones. And through that, after the bacteria starts to grow, there should be a gradient in which the bacteria cannot grow due to the inhibition of the growth because of the antibiotic, and that's how we're going to know which antibiotic works the best for that specific bacteria, because the gradient will be different per antibiotic. So this video will be probably 2 parts, maybe 3, but first we're going to get started with the first few steps. So first off, we're going to take our active culture. I'm going to sterilize the tip. Should be good. Go ahead and take our test tube holder. Then we're going to get 0.5 out of our sterile pipette. See, 0.5 should be about right there where the tip of the test tube is. So we'll get 0.5, 8 drops into the center, and then we're going to take this L-shaped rod to spin it around to evenly disperse the bacteria. Get a little more. And a little more. That's about 0.5 right there. We're going to do 8 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Important step, re-sterilize before recapping. Now, because of the sterile packaging, obviously, because it seems pretty sterile packaged, sterilely packaged, I'm going to go ahead and open it up, top to bottom, obviously where the opening's at. I'm going to hold it pretty much on the long length of the L shape, and then we're just going to spin it to evenly disperse the bacteria. hope that's pretty even. This is gonna go right in the bleach bucket. Alright, now we're gonna wait, let that set up for about an hour, maybe 2 hours, and then we're going to insert each one of our discs into each one of the zones. Slightly press it into the agar, and that'll be in the next part of the video. And then after that, it'll go into the little incubation chamber. And that's it for part 1.